Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time.
My name is Pølice. I am here because we voted. Mahmoud told us that we should come out and vote, that the election, the result will be transmitted. Now, after voting, there was no transmission. We are here to demand Mahmoud to confess that actually he didn't transmit the results, and that this selection was done by him. He was paid, and then he selected someone. And we are here to say we reject that person that he selected. We voted in. Nigerians voted, and that person who voted for is the person who have come to demand. So let that certificate that Mahmoud gave to Tinubu be returned, and Tinubu should never be sworn in. We don't need him. Nobody, a thief cannot come in to lead those who have integrity. How? Anybody that is paying to become president of Nigeria is the wrong person. We want the person that his hand is free from history. The person that his hand is free, even in this election, nobody paid. We know that P2B never made any payment. We came out with our own money to support him because we have seen integrity in his life. We have seen leadership in his life. We have seen that he has economic background in his life. So he's the one we are voting for. He's the one who voted for. That is why I am here to say I voted, I prayed, I came to contest, and to also state that Tinubu will never enter in that place. Rather, they should give this thing to he that won the election. Peter Obi is the one that was. I've never voted in my life. I used to feel like it won't count. But this time I came out and vote. So why should they deny us our rights? Why should they deny us our ability to choose our leader? We are saying that Mahmoud is the most wicked person in Nigeria, the most forceful liar in Nigeria. His children will suffer and suffer. Himself will suffer. And I want to promise Mahmoud that if he doesn't pass this point, he will never escape it in Nigeria. We are saying that Tinubu will not be there. Mahmoud will not be there.
Mahmoud will never eat.
He will never be there. Even that money, Mahmoud will not eat it. So let judiciary know that Nigerians are here. We are here to demand the person that we voted for, that let him come and lead us. We all voted for Peter Obi. 95% of Nigerians voted for Peter Obi, but they are denying us. We are saying we don't want Tinubu. We don't even want Atiku. It is Peter Obi who voted, and it's enough is enough. The youth are here, the men are here, the women are here, even children are here, and we are here to say, Mahmoud, you are a wicked person. Peter Obi, that is who we want.
We came on time now. We came on time now. 3
Yes, Jack was there around after 4.
How will you expect somebody to come here 3
That's the problem. What they do was they don't come inside. So I said to Mr. Gather, if you want to be inside the country, you have to go there. It's not that you need to at least.
They never knew that we can come to the next positive will come again. they focus for front. They don't pass out.
Yeah, not go anywhere. Not go anywhere. Leave that motor for them. Leave that me. Leave that there. Block there.
Comrade Divine, make una keep quiet. If you see una, they will not
Everybody will keep quiet.
People should stop saying that to us. I don't make
National one leader, don't worry. Please, Ada, you're a good man. You're a good man.
Yes, so my people, as I told una say I will come back, I don't come back, una welcome back. As una see that video, una watch, how una see am. I want una leave una comment for the comment section there. Una tell me how una see the matter, whether it good or e bad. If e good, make una let me know. If e still bad, make una still let me know. Una remember say everybody gets freedom of speech. Okay? Alright. Thank you very much. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. It's your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.